Listen, entrepreneurs, what I'm about to share with you saved me thousands of dollars, and it completely changed how I operate my businesses globally. 6 months ago, I was bleeding money, $7,000 into the currency exchanges that happened for every transaction that I had. And this, I had no solutions to. I was thinking of a way to actually get out of this entire margin. Today, I'm losing zero FX fees because of the fact that I have found the solution. And no, it's not just only cutting out the cost, it's actually me keeping my hard-earned cash for myself. If you are operating across borders, the next 8 minutes could change your entire business trajectory in the best possible way. Now you might remember something familiar, something that you have seen a lot, looking at your statement and then seeing $2 to $3 to even $10,000 vanishing from your statement. And you're asking yourself, where did this money go, until you realize that you had currencies that you were paid out in dollars and you received it in pounds, or if you were paid in pounds and you received it in dollars. Now this money should have been reinvested into your business. This was your hard-earned cash and you should have received the entire full amount, but you didn't because you had so much FX fees to pay for. So the problem here is when you're running ads on Amazon US, UK, or you're paying for advertisement fee in any other country, or perhaps you're paying for a software in euros but you live in a country where they accept dollars, those small fees actually compound to a massive amount throughout the year. Now for me, it was over $45,000 in 1 year of these fees that I had to keep paying for without realizing that I'm just wasting my money, or my money is getting vanished into something that wouldn't even give me any benefits. Perhaps you could have paid for inventory in dollar and you lived in a country where it accepts pound, but overall you get the story. The storyline is that if you're paying in a different currency, it always vanishes. The small amount, it just keeps compounding, and those small amounts could have been paid for extra stocks or extra inventory. Now everything changed when I discovered this one thing, which was the world first card. Now this isn't just another business card, this is the only card specifically engineered for global e-commerce entrepreneurs like us. Now World First has been perfecting global payment solutions since 2004. That's over 20 years of work, supporting over 1 million businesses worldwide. They understand our unique challenges because that's all they focus on. They focus on the problems that we are facing and they try to bring us a solution just like now. Well, the key benefits of World First Card is that you have global domination, meaning the moment you're ready to expand into a new market, this card is ready. 150 plus currencies across 210 plus countries and territories. Wherever your business can go, this card is already there, meaning that you don't have to hustle for a new card at any time. But here's the game changer that saves me thousands, and by thousands I actually mean thousands, by paying zero FX fees. You heard that right, by paying zero FX fees in currency exchanges by using the World First card. So in the comparison, if I show you guys the before and after, that 3.2% that used to disappear, it stays in my business. For you, that could mean thousands of dollars every month working for you instead of against you. Now the key benefit number 2 is that one card, one dashboard, complete control. When I'm scaling Amazon ads across continents, or when I'm scaling my Shopify ads across continents, one card. Paying international shipping costs that used to destroy my margins, same card. Managing software subscriptions in different currencies, still the same card. Business travel across borders, you guessed it, the same exact card. So right over here, my dashboard, everything tracked automatically, categorized for easy tax reporting, saving me my valuable time and of course my money every single month. So I shared this exact same solution in my mastermind group and all 5 signed up the same day. 2 of them messaged me last week saying it's already saved them over $1,000. Why? Because of the fact that they can pay through the exact same card in any other country. Now you and me are smart entrepreneurs. There's a reason why you're watching this video and there's a reason why you're searching for the solution. But let me tell you one more thing to add it up. Smart entrepreneurs leverage, even if it's the smallest, advantage over others in any way possible, and this is an advantage that you must take care of or take advantage of before others do. While your competitors are hemorrhaging money on stupid currency expenses, you are being smart and saving that amount for yourself. Now the best part is World First is offering special bonuses for the first adopters, meaning that if you're the first people to sign up, you would get the ultimate benefit. Now I don't know when this ends, but I hope I don't find out until all of my people actually starts using it. So here's exactly what you need to do right now to lock in your spot. All you have to do is click on the link down in my description for your free world card. The application takes less than 5 minutes only. By this time tomorrow, you could be saving on every international transaction yourself. You could be saving on the FX fees that you were supposed to pay before. Now if you are serious about scaling your business globally and actually getting money from all over the continents without having to pay the extra fees, or without you paying the extra fees for all of the subscriptions, the stocks, or perhaps the vendors, all you would need to do is sign up right now before it's actually too late. This is specifically a business card for global entrepreneurs like us. It's designed for our unique challenges and opportunities, so you shouldn't actually miss this out. Now I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys can learn more about it by visiting World First, the website that I've linked in the description down below, and I hope you guys will actually take advantage of this before it's too late. Of course, make sure you do your own research before you take a decision. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Assalamu alaikum.